Guys, do you know that some of the hacks and tricks I was using on this channel were secretly halting my growth without knowing, even killing my channel without me realizing it? I blamed YouTube. I literally made a video thinking that the algorithm hated me. But when I finally went to the back end of my channel, guys, I realized something painful. I was the one confusing YouTube. If your views are stuck now, there is a high chances that you are doing same things I was doing without knowing it. In this video, I'm breaking down the exact mistakes I discovered. Not theory, but things that were actually happening on my channel. Think of YouTube like building a house. You can have the best fence, the best roof, even expensive windows. But if the foundation is weak, it's only a matter of time, everything collapses. That is what happens to many new content creators. And that was what happened to me. Not because they are lazy, not because they are bad creators, but because they built on sand, not structure. If you are between 0 to 500 subscribers, this channel exists to help you build the foundation the right way. So you don't have to keep rebuilding and burning out. So let's talk about the mistakes that I made after checking my back end. One of the mistakes that I made was copying others. You copied the titles, the thumbnails, the scripts, name it. Don't quote me wrong, okay? Copying is not bad, but when you don't understand the experience behind the copying, it makes it look like it's robotic. There's no emotions attached to what you are copying. So the result is going to be surface delivery. There will be no emotional attachment to what you are doing. So even you yourself, you won't feel it. And you all know that you can't give what you don't have. This is one of the mistakes that I know that I made. And I know that some new content creators and those that are starting out, or even those that are still struggling with views, are actually facing right now. That leads to the second point, talking to everybody, solving nothing. This one actually hurt my channel. Today, I will talk about Twitter. The next time, I will talk about AI content. The next time, I will talk about YouTube growth. You see, so by so doing, I am attracting the wrong audience. So when I went through my back end, I realized that I do not even have people who are watching YouTube, like my audience that are following me. 1K plus subscribers that I have now, I can't even see their history, what they watch, who they watch, and it's crazy. I can't even see what they watch and who they watch that is related to YouTube growth, which is my core niche. Why is it so? I was the one confusing the whole system. I was confusing the YouTube algorithm. I was just everywhere, talking to everybody. And at the end of it all, I didn't talk to anyone. That is another mistake that new content creators who are just coming up are actually experiencing. And that is one of the things that is going to hinder your growth. When your channel speaks to everyone, YouTube doesn't know who to push this video or who to send the video to. So at that point, when I went through my channel, I realized my banner was absolutely no go there. Now this is the way my old banner looks like. All right, the old profile, the banner, the description, and the tags. Come on, guys. I was just doing random things. I was just doing generic things. So YouTube didn't have enough proof. YouTube didn't trust me enough to believe that, yeah, she is doing this, she is doing that. And as such, it affected my views. What did I do? I went on, optimized my banner. Now look at my new banner. Compare with the old one. How does it make you feel? Drop in the comment section. Let me know how this new revamped, my profile revamp makes you feel, right? So this is how your profile should look like. You're speaking to someone, you're talking on a topic, and your channel solves one problem. Mistake number 3, attracting the wrong audience. Because when your positionings are wrong, there is no way you are going to attract the right audience. That is what you should know. When your positioning are wrong, you will end up attracting the wrong audience. The message will be wrong, even if you have amazing, fantastic video. But because it's the wrong audience, so just imagine you taking you are trying to sell something to someone who do not need this thing. I don't need this. You are forcing me to buy this. I'm saying I don't need it, and you're forcing me. What happened? Whenever I see this, I'm going to skip and keep moving because this is not what I want. That is a mistake. Most of the new content creators who are coming up are also made, and as such, your views are stuck. So from my back end, my audience, the all wrong audience, not like all of them, but I noticed that these are the things they were watching, and it's not in any way related to YouTube growth or trying to grow their channel, or it was all wrong. And I trained the algorithm the wrong way. And that's the reason why I'm seeing the result I am seeing. And that's the reason why my views are stuck. So how am I going to correct this? One topic, one audience, one promise, and patience, maintaining it for a long time, which is consistency. Repeatedly solving this problem is going to train the algorithm to know that this is what this channel is all about. So you can steal this formula as well. Oh my goodness, guys. Number 4 mistake is going to shock you. Goodness. My YouTube back end, my YouTube studio, the back end was messy. I was stuffed, like I was stalking YouTube with tags. I mean, if you see my backend, I put in a lot of tax. It was like I'm forcing the system that you must push my video. You must push my video. Whether you like it or not, push my, I was pushing it. It is not by the energy, like it's not by how many tax you put into the YouTube studio that makes it optimized. Putting the wrong tax and too many tax can actually stock your views because YouTube will be seen. In fact, that can actually lead to account deletion. If you are monetized, can even lead to account demonetization because that is spamming, tax spamming. You're spamming as keywords. I'll pack everything. Come on, guys. I was doing a whole lot of things the wrong way. Number 4 is like using the old YouTube ads in 2026. It is not working anymore. It's not working anymore. Those old tags are gone. So now if you are still operating with the old mentality, you'll be left out. Changing your tags regularly after uploading your videos, it's a very wrong signal to the algorithm, and YouTube hates it because they feel like you are not sure about what you are doing, and because of that, let me slow this channel down. That's a bad signal. Number 5th mistake. This is almost everybody is still struggling with this one, and it is about your intro. Your 10 to 15 seconds will determine if this video will do well. I was always rumbling. In my intro, I don't even know how to make people to be curious. I don't know how to make people to stay. If I cannot make people to stay in my first 10 to 15 seconds of my video, the YouTube will sense it as a negative signal, and as such, this video is not good to promote, and that is it. They won't recommend it. So you need to learn. I need to learn on how I can hook my viewers. Now, if you've been able to watch till this time, like till this moment, please can you type in the comment section this particular word I'm going to give you. This is like the cheat code. I want to see how many people stayed till this time. All right. I want you to type in the comment section, I am improving on my intro. Type it in the comment section. I am improving on my intro. I'm going to check that. And if you successfully type that, then I have something for you. So they didn't click off because the video is bad. It's because the video is not inviting. Like, why should I stay and watch this video? Why should I listen to her? Oh, that is the problem that I'm actually facing. Oh, that is what I have been looking for. That is how your first 10 to 15 seconds should make me as a viewer or a viewer that is watching your video to feel with that. YouTube, when YouTube sends that retention, your video will escalate. Most people miss this number six. This number six, I was always thinking number six is like consistency, like posting, confusing consistency with volume. That you're posting every day doesn't make it consistent. You can be posting every single day and you're doing it the wrong way. So you can be consistent and consistently doing the wrong thing. That was what I was thinking, that posting every day, posting 3 times in it wasn't all about that. Posting every day is not the problem. Posting 3 times in a week is not even the problem. Posting twice in a week is not even the problem. Do you know what? The problem is quality over quantity. So I've decided that I will be posting for now, posting once in a week, because I want to put in an energy. I want to put in my effort to make sure that my edit, everything comes out more improved. Wow. Number 7. A lot of people are in this category. Goodness. They want to result fast. Oh my goodness. Impatience. Impatience. You two need to understand your channel. You two need to understand the kind of video you put out before the result can start, coming out. That is what I missed. So I was thinking, oh, because I've uploaded up to 500 videos, oh, maybe by now you two should know me. It doesn't work that way. I was all along confusing YouTube. So now I want to do the right thing to train my algorithm to know what I am exactly doing so that the algorithm can also, so that YouTube can also favor me as well. Before YouTube grows you, it needs to understand you. And let me assume that someone is actually asking this question. What if I focus on a particular thing and it doesn't work out? I'm going to give you a roadmap that I'll be using. You can actually adopt it and use it. Then let's see how it goes. So give yourself 60 to 90 days minimum. 60 to 90 days, approximately 3 months. Maintain one voice, one problem, one audience, one niche. Don't talk two things. Talk only on one thing to one person per time. Solve one problem to one person per time for 60 to 90 days minimum. Now, what you should be focusing on is signals. Use your data as a feedback. Don't really focus on virality. Oh, you've not gone viral. It doesn't matter. Focus on the feedbacks, the data you are getting from your YouTube studio in the back end. So don't allow emotions to control your data. All right. So with these tips, you'll be able to know whether you should, pivot to another niche or you should keep going. This is a great signal. So pivoting is not quitting, but pivoting without clarity is a problem. So think about it. So if you watch to this point, how does this video make you feel right now? This is a turning point. It can also be a turning point for your channel. You're a new creator, you want to grow the right way, not fast, but build something solid. This is Build and Brand with Quick. Don't forget to like this video and drop me a comment in the comment section. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel. See you in my next video. Bye.